Hello and thank you for watching to my premiere today, and this is Isali Paraiso thanking you for watching to my channel, and we look forward in seeing you on my next video every Wednesday. I have my premiere 6 o'clock Maldives time, and I hope to see you there. And once again, this is Isla di Paraiso and Yahoo! Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Isla di Paraiso, and currently I am here at the Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives, and what you have just seen is a water sports called Jade Blade. It was amazing. It was an awesome kind of activity, but I don't know if I can make it, and it's I cannot see myself doing this kind of activity. It's a really, for me it's going to be not that easy, but for this guy, OMG, he does so well. And yeah, so our guests are enjoying this kind of activity as well, no? The Jade Blade activity. It was amazing. It was fun to do this kind of activity, and it's I never tried for myself, but I think it's going to be fun. Yeah. So this is part of the showmanship for our water sports colleagues are showing the jet blade activity. Yeah. And on the far side, if you can see as well, is the parasailing. Yeah, that is also another activity, which is parasailing. So that's quite far, but that's the farthest zoom I could do when it comes to this video for today. And so it was indeed a great activity. So fun. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Isla di Paraiso, and yeah, and be informed that every Wednesday I'm going to have my premiere at 6 o'clock the Maldives time. So looking forward on your presence during my premiere time. So yeah, this is just one of those activity right here at the Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives. This is a boat in the Maldives. They call it Doni. Yeah, they call it Doni. Yeah, it's just like a ferry boat. It's just using the Maldivian language, which is Doni. Yeah, Dhoney. Doni. So it's still ongoing, the exhibition for the water sports, which is using the Jade Blade. It was nice. Yeah. So anyone, you're invited to visit Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives to enjoy this kind of activity. This Jade Blade, and for you to have a very enjoyable vacation right here at the Royal Island Resort and Spa in Maldives, located at Indian Ocean. Located in Indian Ocean. That's amazing. Yeah. So just to give you a glance on the island itself. See? Look at this turquoise water. Yeah, the beach area was fantastic, and this swimming pool area, it was indeed a very nice place to have your vacation. So come to Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives, wherein you can have your water sports, lots of activities to be done. Jet ski, canoe, kayak, catamaran, boat for rent, and with a white beach and turquoise water. It was indeed a vacation to remember while enjoying your holiday at the Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives. So far that side are another island, of course. You know, it's a because we are situated in Ba'a Atoll. So in Ba'a Atoll, it comprises of different islands as well. Yeah, and there's an opportunity also for you to visit any local island as well as part of your activity. Picnic island is also being offered right here. So yeah, so going back to this exhibition of the water sports, yeah? It's very simple to look at, very doable, but for the first timer maybe, yeah, it's a little bit on struggle. But as you progress with this kind of sports activity, you will really enjoy doing this. This is Jade Blade activity in a water sport. So nice. And somehow the guest on the other side was happy, and some of them are doing the snorkeling. They're doing the snorkeling. It's amazing. Fantastic activity that you could do right here at the Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to Isla di Paraíso. For those who didn't subscribe to my channel yet, I am inviting you to full subscribe my channel. Okay? Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for the upcoming premieres or videos that are going to be published in my channel. Isla di Paraíso. So once again, thank you so much and have a wonderful day, everyone, and welcome to the Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives. Yahoo!
অনেক জিনিস Ilaw.